Bus collisions differ significantly from typical motor vehicle accidents. Because buses are large, heavy vehicles and many passengers are unrestrained, these crashes can result in severe injuries and long-lasting pain that can disrupt work, mobility, and daily life. Determining fault can also be complex. Responsibility may lie with the bus driver, the bus company, another motorist, or even a public authority if maintenance inspection or safety standards were not properly followed. When an incident like this occurs, the lawyers at Wagners can step in to ensure you are not left to navigate the aftermath on your own. Our team can investigate the circumstances of the crash, identify all available insurance coverage, and pursue compensation for medical treatment and related losses. If you or a loved one has been injured in a bus accident in Halifax or anywhere in Nova Scotia, seeking legal advice as early as possible can help you understand your options and protect your rights.